Welcome to Infosecurity Europe 2024. Infosecurity Europe is the UK's leading cybersecurity event annually. This year, the event was held just recently in June 4th to 6th. I went there on the third day, which is expectedly had lesser delegates than the first and second day. Going there is such overwhelming, and I was able to have conversations with security providers such as Akamai, Okta, and Cloudflare. Chatting a few startups was interesting as well and intense at the same time, meeting people with same interests. I was able to roam around not just to learn, but also I enjoyed few activities they have prepared. From conferences, to discovery and startup zones and more. If you are into cybersecurity, then I strongly suggest to attend such events for you to be equipped and engaged more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cloud computing snippets. See you in the next one.